Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this delicious fried rice you are seeing on your screen. This is fried rice where it makes sense. I bet you are going to like this. Meanwhile, if you're hearing this voice for the first time, my name is Grace and I make recipes you find very interesting. Just please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We'll go ahead into the video. I'll first of all start by cooking the chicken I'll be using for this. And the chicken is still frozen. I didn't remember to bring out chicken much earlier, though the chicken has already been cleaned up and cut. So I'll just be adding in my ginger paste, some fresh rosemary, bay leaves, salt, and I'll be adding in chicken seasoning powder, and I'm going to be adding in little water for it to cook. The water is almost drying up, so I'm just going to be adding enough water to cook the chicken all the way through, and an extra salt if necessary. I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. The chicken is ready. I'm going to be taking this off fire in preparation for grilling it. I will sieve this water into the pot we are going to use and cook the rice. I'll be seasoning this water with curry powder, extra seasoning powder, and black pepper. I'll pour in water to cook the rice, and for the rice I'm using this tropical sun basmati rice. I'm just going to wash it in the running water till it is less moldy. I'll pour in the rice into the stock, give it a little stir, and cover the pot and allow it to cook. The rice is ready. I'm just going to stir everything together and set it aside in preparation for frying our veggies. You should be able to test your rice at this stage to know what it is lacking so you can make it up when you are frying the veggies. I'll be adding salted butter into the pan, and once it's melted, I'll be frying my shrimps in it. The shrimps is done. I'll be taking this off the pan for later use. So in this same pan, I'll be frying in my eggs. I'll allow the eggs to cook a little bit before I scramble it. I'll also set this aside for use later. I'll pour in oil into the pan, and I'm going to allow this oil to heat up. This is a combination of carrots and green beans. I just feel they have the same cooking time, so I'll be frying these together. I'll pour in my green bell pepper, seasoning powder, and I'll be stirring everything together. One thing I enjoy doing is frying veggies like this. The colors, the aroma that comes out from it. I don't know, am I the only one that feels this way? So I'll be pouring in my scotch bonnet pepper. And I'll be pouring in my red onion. I like adding the onions as the last thing that enters the pot before the rice. See, if you don't like onion, please just avoid this stage, just leave it out. I like my onions a little bit crunchy. So I'll be pouring in the cooked rice into our veggies now, and I'll be doing this in batches. As I'm adding, I am stirring. I'll add in the last batch and I'll give it a very good stir. Now is the time for us to reintroduce back all the things we fried. I'll start with the scrambled egg and the shrimps. I'm going to be stirring this all together and allow this to simmer a bit so that all the whole flavors will combine together. And here we have a delicious, tasty fried rice. See, I don't even know the adjective to use for this rice, but I bet you it's as tasty as it looks. Just give this a try and imagine people coming back for your rice. Thank you for watching this video to this point, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button below. It is free, and just do something. You can leave me a comment below. And if you're lazy to even leave a comment, just share this video and give this video a thumbs up. Just do something. I would like to see you in my next video. For now, bye.